Hi guys, welcome back to my shop after a while, but let's kick this off. What we have here is a bowl that I've started making about a year ago. As I was making it, it started cracking and I kind of put it off. I put it to one side and I thought maybe I'll do something better with it later. It's going to be a smaller hat than I wanted. I thought maybe I have enough material here. This is roughly 11 inch across. I thought I have enough material to make a full-size hat, but obviously it's not going to be a full-size hat. So a large, maybe baby size hat. So you can see this is quite wobbly. Yeah, there's a lot of ghosting going there that I'm gonna have to take care of. And of course, tenon that is, as you can see, completely out of center. And the rim, yeah, all of it is gonna have to go away. So I roughed out the general shape of the hat. So a few things. Definitely I'm going to need a wider brim. I'm going to have to sand a little bit everything down so I'll be able to work the cracks and fill them up and stable them before I go on thinning this out completely, because obviously there are some cracks you can see here that run. Look at this grain here. Look at this wonderful piece of olive. Absolutely beautiful grain. The cracks are gonna look really nice with black dust in them. Yep, that's a really nice piece of olive. Okay, so guys, what we have here is my bowl, and it's still in the chuck, so I will be able to chuck it up back again on my lathe with maximum repeatability. Now, What I have here is thin CA, and I have dead medium CA, so I guess it's thin CA for today's project. So that's that, thin CA. I got some different scotch, masking tapes, whatever, which I'm going to use to block off some of the cracks. And I got some black powder, which I've made using African blackwood. So that's gonna go inside the cracks. But first of all, I'm gonna give everything a nice little dripping of thin CA to go inside the cracks and get really inside those thin narrow cracks, and hopefully capillary action will draw the glue inside and help the wood seal itself up in those points. If I'll just be able to crack open this bottle of thin CA. And with the magic of video editing, I'm now able to actually open the bottle. Okay, so let's start with these large cracks, examine them, and start dripping. Now, if it was any other wood other than olive, I would have maybe put on a coat of oil, but I'm not really worried for the CA to penetrate the grain of the wood, because it's olive and it's gonna be shiny and colorful and really nice looking. The CA won't stain it. Okay, I'm filling in all the cracks with dust, trying just to drag the dust around and over the opening of the cracks, so the dust will push itself into each of the cracks. There's some more. Okay, and there's another crack here. We'll fill it with dust. Okay, and a little bit more here. Okay, so just a light blowing to show me where all the cracks are. Oh, almost dropped this. I hope you can see this well, and I hope the bee that is buzzing around me is not disturbing you that much. And let's give a little bit of CA here. Now I do want to put a generous amount so it will penetrate. You can see there's like a chemical reaction going on here, and it's fuming. It means that there's probably some moisture inside, but it's good. It means it's working. Okay, a little bit here and here as well, and some more here. Now I do want to go with a lot of CA at the beginning, so it will penetrate the shavings. Okay, so that's most of it off, and the rest will send away on my drill press. So I'll set it up and bring you back once it's all ready. I want to thank you guys for joining me in this week's video, and don't forget, come see me in Makery Central 2019 on the 11th and 12th of May in Birmingham. Go to the website, buy your tickets, just be there. I'll see you guys in my next video.